The Ftax VAT form is now available as a web form and has the same look and feel as the SA100, SA800, SA900 and the CT600 web forms. If you have previously used the Ftax VAT PDF form, you can use the web form without requiring another credit. Please note that the MTD system from HMRC requires users to grant authority to the software that they use to make submissions. You only need to do this once for each software supplier that you use, and the authority is valid for 18 months. The web form will redirect you to the correct part of the HMRC website if granting authority is necessary. If you have previously used the Ftax PDF VAT form, this may not be required. The form will tell you if the authority needs to be updated. The website will default to the current year. If you require forms from a previous year, click the left arrow next to the current year. To begin your submission, log into your Ftax account and select the red New button from the NTD row of the Web Forms table. Select the client type you require from the drop-down list. If you have previously submitted your VAT using Ftax, you can select an existing user by clicking the red button and selecting from the drop-down list. Alternatively, enter the company name, UTR and VAT registration number. Select the appropriate VAT scheme. Unless you are an agent, new users will need to authorise Ftax with HMRC before continuing. To grant authority, click the Authorise Tax Filer for MTD button. This will take you to the correct section of the HMRC website. Click Continue and sign in to the HMRC online services using your Government Gateway username and password. When you have signed in, click Give Permission. Please note that granting authority must be done through the form. Click Check MTD Auth. If authority has been granted, a tick will appear in the Authorise Ftax for MTD section of the overview. Click Display Period. Select the period required. If necessary, the form will prompt you to buy a credit. To do this, click Buy Credits. If you already have a credit, click Credit and then agree with the pop-up to assign the credit. Next, click Edit Form. Click Import to upload a CSV file of the 9 values which you need to complete the VAT form. The format required for this data is displayed in the pop-up. If you wish to declare a nil return, click Fill Nil Return. When your data has been uploaded, sign the form, save it, and click Back to Overview to return to the overview. If you are an agent, you may wish to create a PDF copy for your client before submission. Please note that there is no IR mark on this PDF copy. Agree with the declaration and click Submit. You can create a post-submission PDF copy which includes a confirmation of submission ID generated by HMRC. If you haven't already set up a direct debit to pay your VAT, click the Pay HMRC to be taken to the relevant part of the HMRC website. You will receive an email from Ftax confirming submission. This will also contain the HMRC receipt ID.